I just thought I'd do a quick video, just to explain, um, these money zone orbs, the trends indicator, right? Another TP done. It is insane. Or nearly, no, no, not yet, but it's gonna get there. I'm telling you now. It's looking beautiful. Okay. Would I have taken the sell? No. I'm gonna show you. All right. So let's go. I'm gonna turn my head off. Okay. If you are not funded yet, come on now. Come on now. In this group. I have to add a few more people. Look at it. Okay. Boom, boom. What do we got? We've got, did I put it in here? This one here is, yes, and we are cooking. Good looking. Okay, up we go. Up we go. I'm just about to hit it on my next. I've got this on my other. I've got two compounding. I might just take this because I'm compounding this. I bet you, I bet you, I bet you. Okay, I'm going to compound. Boom. I'm doing this compounding in here. I thought that said 13,000 for a second. Oh my, huh? All right. So money zone, money zone. Okay. This should, I've got another account as well. So just let me just, I have to just see something here. I just make sure I'm not sharing something. I shouldn't be, if I go into this. Sorry. I just had to make sure that I didn't have any, funny passwords. So, because it's not good. Okay, so there we go. I use this, the trend scanner, right, on normal candles. All right, we're going with the trend. Right, I have my confirmations in here. Would I sell? No, not here. Sometimes I'll go against it because there is so much momentum, and I know that they're going to come down here and go, thank you very much for all the stop losses here, right? And I see something, okay, but my rules My rules with this is I'm going with the trend. Okay. Now, these are my money zone orbs, right? These are, I call them the money zone because they're just money, right? We talk money, we talk it into existence, right? So we are saying we are here in the money zone and we're going to get the money. We're going to collect the money. All right. So I have all my different zones that I have up here, right? And just this morning, I go back. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. I don't do the market reset on here, but I do, right? Easy money. So I put my Hakanashi on. I love my Hakanashi, right? I'm going with the trend. We've got the green. We're above this, right? We've got the fat flat. I'm in here. There's 1 to 1 done. Boom, boom, right? Okay, right? This could be in your account, whatever you're doing on a compounding account, right? Or any account, right? If you wanted to get like a smaller account up to a certain amount and you just want to get in and out of the market, right? Let's say you do $50. That's a bit risky, isn't it? Right? Let's not do that. Okay, let's just do $20. See, I've got two accounts that I'm doing a bit more high risk because we're here to make money. Okay. All right. Let's do $20. Right. There's $20. Right. There's $20. Now, here, this one here, right? I know it's going against the trend, but with this momentum, you could have quickly gone in, boom, there's another 20. Right? This one here, right? Okay. Okay, that's done. Now I go on to the next one. Now I do have my confirmations that I use, right? Yada 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 yada. What do we see here? What do we see? If you follow me, you know I'm a huge pattern trader. All right. Boom, Scott. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Look, what do we have? You look in the guidelines. We have fat, flat, and delicious. This is what we want to see. Leading up, leading up, leading up. Out of here would be a scalp for me as well. But according to this money zone, boom, boom, we're just about to hit TP1. All right. Now, if you want it to stay in this trade, right, when these candles close, put your stop loss underneath and just let this baby ride up. If there's volume and the big banks, the big institutions want to push this baby up, then they're going to push it and they're going to push it and keep pushing it. Now, it is the Asian session. Sometimes there is not as much volume, right? But we have got all the confirmations here for a nice buy. Okay, now there's other things that I trade as well. Okay, and we can get on the trends indicator, right? This here, right? Okay, Forex. Okay, what was I looking at before? Wasn't NCAD, wasn't NCAD. No, it wasn't that either. No, it was not that. What was I on before? I was on something. Was it AU? No, it wasn't AU. I think I'm losing it today. I think it was AN. I think it was AN I was on. I have got a trade on AN. I think, yeah, I do. Okay, I do have a buy out of here on AN. I do. I think I got in early. Yeah, I did. I got in earlier. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. This one here. No, it's saying to sell, but anyway, I got in. Yes, I did. That's what I got in on. All right. So I'm looking at this. We have got here high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Right. We could be pulling up. Could be, could be, could be. Okay. So there we go. I'm looking at this in this area here. All right. So beautiful moves on gold. Absolutely. I'm stoked. I got some more money. I'm now up in my compounding. I have several different accounts, and what I do is I have some crazy risks. That's why I said 50. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Risk disclaimer. I'm not no financial advisor. Do not risk more than you are not willing to. Oh, you are. You are not willing to lose. All right. Spasticated today. My goodness, let's have a look at gold. Yeah, baby, let's go. Okay, so we need to be on the right candles here. We need to have the normal candles and we need to have on the 5 minute. We've hit TP1 on the trends. Look at that. Above the moving average. It's all nice and green. This is a nice pullback before another break of structure. Now, when this pulls out, and if it comes back down here, what I normally do is I look for some fair value gaps as well. They might come in and tap into that. If it does come back down and they still bullish, then I'd get in again. All right. All right. So just so we see like from next week, okay, I love this strategy because a child can do it, okay? All right. So make sure that you're in funded, right? Okay, so I'm just going to come back here. This is the market open. We don't do it after the weekend. Right, I have to go back here. Look at this. Look at this. Win, even without confirmations. Okay, I'm going to go. All right, let's just do on Friday. Okay, Friday. This was Friday. Okay, weekend party time. Okay, let's go. There's our win. Right, there's our win here. Right, it's a nice pullback. We've got everything lining up. Right, there was a trends as well on the 1 minute. Right, nice Heikin-Ashi candles. And now we've got the next Asia. Oh my gosh, look at this. And in here, if we go on here, right, you would have seen, right, go on the trends. What is it doing? We're above the moving averages. We have got this beautiful. Now let's just really, really have a look. Okay. Go on to this Akinashi candle. All right. This is green. These are delicious. There's another entry. Right. We can use these zones. We can have multiple entries. We're making high highs, high highs, high highs, and high lows. Right. All the way through. Boom, boom, boom. Right. If you're going to be naughty and you risk $50, I'm not telling you to do that. And then you got in here, right? And you risked, maybe you made $100 or something, right? Take a bit of this. This whole run could make you $1,000. Adding positions, taking a part of this money, taking part of this money. Right, what do we have here? We have a bullish pattern. We have high highs. All right. We have a pullback. All right. Gold is flying. Okay, so I'm just going to go on here, clear these drawings. Okay, now in here, London. Okay, look at this money. Oh my goodness, coming into the moving averages, making a high and continuation, right? And there's more money. Then we go the next one. Right, adding another position. Boom! And again, adding another position. Right, do you see? Do you see how much money this is? Now we've got the New York session. I love doing this on the indices. Right. Oh, firm scar. Bing, 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 bing. Wow. Guys, this is easy money. Look at this. I'll go back and back and back. Even though it's against the trend, I would have left that one. Boom. Boom. Delicious. Okay, the German DAX around this time. Catch some beautiful moves. Oh, money. Oh, money. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, that would have been a loss if you would have gone in that one. Money. I'm telling you. Anyway, I'll be on every Monday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is a Tuesday in Australia at 11 a.m. So we can normally catch some moves. All right. And check it out. Even Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Let's have a look at this. Okay. If this would, if it would, break out of here. Boom. Easy money. All right. Let's go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The money is like honey. How good is it? You know, I'm not, so. And I'll always keep it real. All right. I'll tell you what, just have a look. Have a look at your Heian Kanashi candles right now on gold. That's what we want to see. All right. That's when I get in a trade. When I see that kind of stuff. It's beautiful. All right. Have a good rest of the day, week, night. Auf Wiedersehen.